With Big Tech's Q4 earnings right around the corner, here are three things that I'll be looking out for when they report their results. First up, we have CapEx spend, and more specifically, I'll be paying close attention to data center spend. Just a couple of weeks ago, we got word from Microsoft that they are planning to spend a gargantuan $80 billion on just AI-enabled data centers in their fiscal 2025. Now, that's nearly a double when compared to their fiscal 2024 CapEx, and almost a triple from just 2 years ago. I expect to hear similar things from Amazon, Google, and Meta, saying that their spending on GPU and AI-related build-out is likely to accelerate in 2025. This will set the stage not only for the demand we should see for NVIDIA's products throughout the year, but for the whole semiconductor chain. It also tells us the demand for Microsoft, Amazon, and Google's cloud solutions continue to exceed the capacity that they can currently meet. Now, the next thing I'll be watching for is more so from a value investor perspective, and that is how these companies are returning money back to the shareholder. And look, it's no surprise Big Tech has had a great couple of years. I mean, revenues and profits are both at a record, and that's why I'm expecting all of these companies to announce huge buybacks for the year. Despite shares trading near all-time highs, the valuation and case for these companies to buy back shares still looks quite compelling. Take, for example, Meta and Google, both trading for less than 25 times their forward earnings. Last year, we also got a dividend announcement from these companies, and I'm looking for them to up those dividends, reassuring investors that they're still very much focused on returning capital. Now, the last thing I'll be watching for are the operating margins. Most of these companies have leaned out their workforce in 2023 and 2024, with Meta even coining it the year of efficiency. I want to see if operating expenses, especially on the sales and marketing side in particular, continue to stay in check. Also, it'll be interesting to see if management point out the ways they're using AI internally to bring down costs and continue to increase margins. We'll be breaking down all of Big Tech earnings and more here on the channel, so get subscribed if you haven't already.